first thing you want to do is you want to get a 10 millimeter and you want to take your negative off your battery. You want to make sure your negative is not touching your battery. Take it off your battery. The next thing you want to do is you got clips. You got clips in this little thing right here because you want to get access to the air filter. This is your air filter and this is your mass airflow sensor right there. But you got some clips. Oh, I'm telling you what you need to get your clip remover or a flathead screwdriver. And this is what the clips look like. Y'all can see the empty holes where I already started taking it out. And once you remove this here, the cover, I just slid it to the side. But once you remove the cover, now you got a bracket right here. This also is a 10 millimeter. You got 2 bolts for the bracket. We're gonna remove these 2 bolts for the bracket. Okay, y'all, after you remove the bracket, you got 4 of these here. Either you use a Phillips head screwdriver or you have an 8 millimeter. You got 1 right here, 1 right there, 1 right there, and 1 right there. You got 4. Now, once you remove your 4, voila, you got access to your air filter. Inspect your air filter. Make sure you clean out the inside. When you lift it up, make sure you clean out the inside of it real good. And replace your other air filter just as you remove the one that you're taking out. Okay, y'all, the next thing we're going to replace is our mass airflow sensor. This is our mass airflow sensor. First thing you want to do is you want to pull this little tab up right there. And you got 1, 2 screws that hold it. You want to have the right star to fit in there. To take those 2 screws. But how I told you, these little things here that move the clips will come in handy. I'm going to have it linked down there. Slide it under in between. And you're going to clip it out like that. Gently take your time out moving these little screws. Make sure you don't lose them. After you take the screws out, then ease your mass airflow sensor out. And this is what it looks like, y'all. You put your screws back on. Start them off by putting them in with your hand. And once you get that in, hey, you all done. Make sure you push that in and you hear that snap. Then you put that lock down in there, the red tab. Put your bracket back on. Put your cover back on. Put your clips back in. And put your ground wire back in. And you're all done. If you like my video, I got plenty more. Go to my bio, subscribe to my YouTube. I would appreciate it. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.